Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download email in Gmail. So let's go to Gmail first. Right here. Okay, now choose the specific mail you want to download, like this one, Apple, this one. So if you want to download this specific mail, what you're going to do is you'll find here three dot icon like ellipsis. Just click on this or more option, and you'll find at bottom download message. Click on download message and your message will be downloaded. If you want to find where is the download message, go here, file location or show in folder. You will find here your specific mail message. Just double click and open through any application, and you'll find here your mail. Okay, so guys, this is how you can download mail in Gmail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.